There is a lot of fear mongering about non-stick and Teflon coating these days. I've said this before as well. Based on research, Teflon by itself is food safe unless it is heated to temperatures beyond 300 degrees Celsius. But most air fryers don't even support those temperatures. I've linked to the research below in the description if you'd like to see it. But if it is still a concern for you, you should always consider products that are certified to be toxin-free, like this Solara digital air fryer oven. It claims to be certified as toxin-free. Let's discuss that and more in this video. Before we start, I'd like to highlight that Solara gave me access to the product to test. But like always, the reviews, the pros and the cons are all based on my own experiences and opinions. This Solara air fryer oven has been certified by Intertek, which is a global benchmark for product testing and certification. The company is also listed on the London Stock Exchange, so we can be rest assured of its authenticity. I've linked to the certification report as well in the description. The report certifies that Solara has passed tests for 61 different chemicals and 8 heavy metals. So with Solara, no plastic smells, no fumes, no toxins when it is operated within the temperature supported by the air fryer. The fact that the brand has gone above and beyond to get their product tested in real cooking temperatures should be a peace of mind for you. Now this Solara air fryer oven is 12 liters, so it can make a large batch of food in one go. If you've made fries in a traditional air fryer, you know how frequent flipping is required for even cooking and crispness and to avoid sogginess of the fries in between. With this Solara air fryer oven, we can spread out a large quantity of fries on the mesh tray, or we can use the mesh basket for even cooking overall. We can cook 3 levels of food simultaneously as long as they operate at the same temperature and time settings. We can always use the rotisserie and the skewer rack for cooking an entire chicken or barbecued vegetables evenly on all sides. With multiple trays, baskets and attachments, this air fryer oven makes cooking in the air fryer quite seamless. Now let's talk about the build and the maintenance aspects. The air fryer is ideal for cooking large quantity of food in one go, perfect for your healthy food transition. While the inside of the air fryer is non-stick coated, like we already discussed earlier, it has been certified as toxin-free. This is a digital air fryer with 12 preset modes for commonly cooked dishes, including air frying, baking, toasting and more. All the attachments except the baking tray are dishwasher safe, so cleaning the air fryer is quite easy as well. This air fryer oven is 12 liters in size, but is also compact. It takes much less space than a microwave oven. With the certified promise to placate all your concerns about toxins from the air fryer, this Solara air fryer oven helps to make the switch to low oil cooking much easier and stress-free. You can use the code on the screen to get 10% off on the air fryer oven and the air fryer oven combo from the Solara website. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.